Hello, and thank you for tuning into this special edition of the Mayor's Updates. I'm here today to let you know that the City of Gardner and Haywood Hospital will be hosting a regional vaccination event on Thursday, February 11th, beginning at 8 a.m. at the Polish American Citizens Club, located at 171 Kendall Pond Road West here in the City of Gardner. This vaccination event is available for anyone who is eligible to receive the vaccine in Phase 1 or those individuals who are ages 75 and older. The registration for this vaccination event will not be available until Monday, February 8th at 11 o'clock in the morning. At 11 o'clock in the morning, there are two ways in which you can register for the vaccine this coming Monday. There will be an online registration form on both the city's and Haywood Hospital's websites, as well as a call-in option for those who do not have access to a computer or the internet or are simply having trouble registering online. There is a link in the description of this video that provides a tutorial on how to register for these vaccination appointments. Please take some time and watch that video so you understand how the process works before 11 o'clock on Monday when you need to register for your vaccination appointment. In order to register over the phone, you can do so by calling our COVID-19 registration hotline by dialing 978-630-8304. By doing this, you will be connected to an operator who can help register you over the phone. We also have operators who are available to speak Spanish for anyone who requires those services. And if your primary language is not English or Spanish, please let the operator know, and we will have access to call a third-party translator to help register you for your vaccination appointment. We want to make sure no language barriers bar anyone from obtaining a vaccination appointment. The online registration form will be available on the city's COVID-19 page on our website, www.gardner-ma.gov, and then click COVID-19. If you currently go to that link now, it will bring you to a PDF that says check back when vaccination appointments become available. However, on Monday, beginning at 11 a.m., that link will lead you directly to the city's registration page. My staff, along with the staff from Senator Cronin's office and State Representative John Zlotnick's office, will be available at the Gardner Senior Center on Monday to help people register for the vaccine in person as well, beginning at 11 a.m. I want to make clear for those who have any concerns that they will not have access to register for the vaccine because they do not have a computer, that we are reserving 25% of all appointments from here on out at all of our vaccination events for those who are registering over the phone. Our plan moving forward is to have vaccination clinics every Tuesday and Thursday. However, the days in which these vaccination clinics are held and the hours of operation in which they are administering the vaccine are all subject to change based on the availability of the vaccine and when we receive our shipment from the state to our vaccination site. So please keep an eye on the city's website, social media pages, as well as listening to WGAW radio station on AM channel 1340 for regular updates as to when these vaccination events become available. We will also be posting broadcast bulletins on GETV channel 8 here in the City of Gardner. Code Red calls will also go out whenever vaccine appointments become available. If you are interested in becoming a volunteer at our vaccination clinics, you may do so by emailing helpvaccinate@haywood.org. When you do so, please let them know your name, the availability in which you are able to volunteer at our vaccination clinics, the best way to contact you through an email or phone number, and if you are a medical personnel and have credentials to help assist with medical tasks, please provide us with proof of your credentials and what it is you would like to assist us with. If you are not a medical person and would still like to help with registration, cleaning, or other types of non-medical procedures at our vaccination clinic, please indicate that as well when you email helpvaccinate@haywood.org. If you have any general questions on our vaccination process or the vaccine itself, you may send them to vaccinate@haywood.org, and they will get back to you with any answers to your questions that they may have. I want to say a special thank you to the Haywood Hospital staff and administration, the members of our Board of Health, our Emergency Management Director, Paul Topolsky, and everyone else who has been involved in the planning for these large vaccination events. Please Please be patient if you are not able to get an appointment in this vaccination round. Our goal is to continue to regularly host these vaccination events to make sure that everyone who wants a vaccine is able to receive a vaccine as soon as possible. However, we also have to work within the limits of what we have in terms of the vaccine supply that we receive from the state. We will be getting through this pandemic together as a community, as we have already shown. This pandemic and these vaccination events have showed us that we truly do come together as a community and support each other when things get tough, and we are already now able to see the light at the end of the tunnel because of how we have come together to help everyone get through this vaccination process. So thank you very much for watching this. Remember, appointments will not go live until Monday at 11 o'clock in the morning. The call center phone number will not go through until that time, and the online registration form will not be available until that time. However, please watch the video that is linked in the description of this video to help prepare you for when that time comes. Thank you very much, and have a good evening.